Everybody will be using Instagram just to post pictures, just to post videos, and they will just sharing their stories. But have you ever thought that you can earn money? That means you can monetize whatever post or whatever videos you are uploading. In today's video, I am going to tell you one of the easiest way, one of the best ways which is trending nowadays to earn money through Instagram just by sitting at home, just by not doing any kind of hard work. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jal, watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. In order to do this or in order to earn money through Instagram, it does not mean that you should have 10k, 20k or 30k followers, or it doesn't mean that you have to be so famous to earn this much amount of money through Instagram. But all you need to do is just have organic followers. That means not a fake one. See, normally nowadays everybody can get up to 5,000 or 10k followers also just by doing some of the tricks. If you download the app, you can just get followers just like that. But they will just like your picture, they will even follow you, but they won't look at your content which you are posting. They won't even give an eye on what exactly you are posting. So you should not be like for the sake of followers, you should get that should not happen. So all you have to do is gain organic followers. Select a particular topic which you are interested in. That is, you have to select a proper niche for yourself. Suppose if I'm interested in photography, or suppose if I'm interested in cooking or selling products or whatever it may be, I have to do only that certain things. Provide value to the content whatever I'm posting. Suppose if I'm posting something related to food, I have to try every varieties related to that, and I have to give a proper content to my followers. So through that they will believe you, they will trust you, and they will start following you. Be consistent. It does not mean that you should post one day and then after 3-4 days you're posting another picture. You should not do that. So first you have to be consistent. That means you have to post one or the other thing every day. So now it does not mean that if you have certain number of followers you will start earning, if you have certain number of likes you will start earning. It does not mean like that. That's what I told you, followers does not matter, just like how it matters for subscribers in YouTube. The first method where you can earn money is that affiliate marketing. See, this marketing, or you can tell us this affiliate marketing, this is so trending nowadays, and this is considered as one of the easiest way to earn money. Many people might have heard about that, but if you have not, then let me tell you what exactly this affiliate marketing is and how can you earn money through that. See, affiliate marketing is nothing. Basically, it is just promoting the product of the company. Suppose if I am here right now and I want to sell some product, so I will take some product from the company and I have to reach it through the audience. So if the audience buy the product which I am selling, then I will get half of the commission or how much ever commission you want to. So this is basically affiliate marketing. So just promoting some people's product also you can earn money. Second thing is that through online courses. See, it's not necessary that you have to have much kind of knowledge or something. You have to do whatever you know. Suppose if I am talking about English speaking, then I can make a certain course where I will tell people that how to be fluent in English. So these are the things you have to follow. If you do this, then you will master in English. So if I do that, people will get interested in buying my course. You can just keep it as 300 or 500 rupees per course. So if one person buys that, you will get an amount. Just think, if you have more amount of followers, if more people such as 100, 200 people are buying your course, then what more do you need? Third one which I would like to tell you is that keep contest. See, now since this quarantine have begun, there have been so much contest which have been going online. So you can take it as meme page or such as a singing contest or dance contest, whatever it is. All you have to do is that create a page and let people know about what contest you are doing. See, obviously when you are starting Instagram, it doesn't mean that people will just come to you. It will take time. At this time you can suggest other people, or you can even do paid promotion, there is a page which you can do without paid promotion also. You can ask them that they have to make a promotion. You can actually suggest your friends to share them in your story so that they can come and give them the contest. So if you are charging such as that 100 rupees per contest for entry, then just imagine that if you are getting such as 100 people or something, you will get literally like 20,000, 30,000 rupees. So you can actually tell like the reward will be, if you win this, the reward will be 1,000 rupees. Then you can get extra amount from that also. So I would say making contest, that will be one kind of a best earning. And the fourth one I would like to tell you is that reselling of products. See, reselling is the most easiest way to earn nowadays. You can take normally go to a Play Store and just download some of the reselling app. You can take a best example as Meesho app, right? If you actually go there, you can select a product, whatever product you want to sell. Now take the product and post it on your Instagram. Just tell people that these are the products which I'm selling. If you are interested, please come and buy. So when the person is liking that product which you are posting, he will come to you and he will ask you like the details about it. So if you actually get a commission such as like 100 rupees, 150 rupees, you should not keep more. If you do that, people won't even come and buy it, right? So you can just keep a commission and tell that people, and through the selling or through the reselling of the app also you can earn money. Next easiest way to earn money is that with a sponsored post. See, for this you should have a decent amount of or number of followers. So now suppose if you are running a food page, if a big hotel, if they are looking at your profile, if you have like a decent number of followers, they will actually give you a post where you can sponsor them, you can promote them for money. So you can actually tell them, since I have this many followers, at least 2,000 or 3,000 people will definitely watch my story, which means they will even watch that product which I am putting in my story. So if they come, that if people are actually looking at the product, if they start buying, then obviously it is a profit for you. And the final thing and the best way to earn money is through IGTV. See, this YouTube happened for a long time. People are earning too much for a long time. At this time, there is a thing called like you have to complete 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Then only your YouTube videos will get monetized. Similarly, in IGTV also, they have introduced, Instagram have introduced that the AdSense is going to come there. So which means you can even earn money through Instagram just like YouTube. Even I am thinking that I can even put the same video in Instagram, and if the AdSense is actually available, then I can even earn money there too, right? So now this is the thing which I want to tell you, this IGTV will be the most important and a best way to earn money. So if you have 400k or 500k, you can earn money because of the ad which you will be getting. The rules have not yet decided that you have to have this much amount of followers and this much things. They haven't introduced that, but after some time, I think after this lockdown will get over, everything they will monetize and you can earn money through that also, through content creation. Another benefit is that if you just do a promotion of that particular place which you are traveling, you can actually tell that I can't pay the money right now, but I can do your promotion where more people will come to your hotel or your park. So this is the ways which I feel and which is the trending ways where you can earn money through Instagram. Tell me about the comment section whether have you tried or whether you're going to try, or what about this video, how this video was. Tell me in the comment section and share this video to the people who would like to know about how to earn money through easiest way through Instagram. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.